Hello everyone, I welcome you all in today's mathematics class, and our topic of the day is addition, and this happens to be your third lesson in maths. Children, what is addition? If I explain you what addition is in simple language, then I would say that addition is the process of adding something to something else. It is signified by a symbol, and this is that symbol, plus symbol. In maths we have four mathematical operations. They are addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. So we have four mathematical operations in maths. But in this lesson we'll deal with addition. We will learn adding 4-digit numbers. Children, addition is bringing two or more numbers together to make a new number. Children, addition means putting two numbers together, as I have already told you before. Now I will further explain you along with the digits. That will make things more clear. The total of two numbers is called sum. Children, maths has its own language. So the addition of two numbers is called sum. Like here you can see two numbers are given and another number which is formed after addition is 399. So 399 is the sum of two numbers. Children, we need to know how to read maths, then only you will be able to solve questions well. So this 130 and 269 are addends. The numbers being added together are called addends, and this is the sum. Now children, you all will be doing exercise 3.2 part 1 in the book itself. This is given to you. Sums are already given to you here. You will be doing these sums in the book itself. Now maths is all about how you read a question. In maths we always do what the question is asking us to do. So in the first question everything is written with clarity. The question is saying add the following. Alright, we'll add the following questions. Two numbers, two addends are given to you and you are required to find the sum of two addends. Sum will be written here. We'll add them. So 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 4 plus 5 is 9. So these two are addends and this is the sum. Simply you are going to solve these sums in the book itself. Now let's talk about the second part. So children, remember that the second part must be done in the classwork copy. Now, children, maths is the game of numbers. It is one of the easiest subject out of all because you don't have to learn anything here. You need to know how to read a question. Now see, add these numbers in your notebooks. So you will be doing it in your copies. Question number 2 has 6 parts. All 6 parts are to be done in the copy. Now see children. Suppose this is my maths copy and I am doing it. I have written add these numbers in your notebooks. I have copied the first question. Now children, in maths if the question is given in this form, then it is self-explanatory that you have to simply add and write here, because the question is written in the numbers are written in an arranged order. Arrangement of numbers is perfect. But in such cases where the numbers are given like this, add these numbers in your notebooks. Now the arrangement is not done. So first step is arranging numbers. So the first number is 2, 3, 6, 7. I will write 2, 3, 6, 7 and then and. Which mathematical operation are we performing? Addition. So I will put the sign of addition. and 1421. So I'll write, since both the numbers, total numbers are 4, so I'll straight away write down 1421. Now I will add both the addends. 7 plus 1 is 8, 6 plus 2 is 8, 4 plus 3 is 7, 2 plus 1 is 3. So children, therefore the sum is 3788. So children, all these questions must be done in the classwork copy. It is not difficult at all. You can do it. Another thing children, along with 3.2 part 2, you will also be doing exercise 3.3 in the book itself. 3.3 is to be done in the book itself. Add the following numbers in a single step. Alright, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, and 6 plus 3 is 9000. Okay, so this can be done in the book itself, because in these sums you don't have difficult questions, simple sums. So do it in your fair copy. That's all for today children. Take care. Bye.